Welcome to our comparison of the AMD Ryzen 95900X and the AMD Ryzen 75700X. In this video, we will explore the key differences and similarities between these two powerful processors. The Ryzen 95900X boasts 12 cores and 24 threads, making it ideal for demanding tasks such as gaming and content creation. On the other hand, the Ryzen 75700X, with its 8 cores and 16 threads, offers a more budget-friendly option without sacrificing too much performance. Let's dive into the details and find out which CPU is the best fit for you. The core count is one of the most significant factors when comparing processors. The AMD Ryzen 95900X features an impressive 12 cores and 24 threads, which allows it to handle multitasking and demanding applications with ease. In contrast, the Ryzen 75700X, while still powerful, has 8 cores and 16 threads. This difference means that the 5900X is better suited for heavy workloads, such as video editing and 3D rendering, while the 5700X is a great option for gaming and general productivity tasks. If you require maximum performance, the 5900X is the clear winner in this category. Clock speed is another critical aspect to consider when evaluating CPU performance. The Ryzen 95900X has a boost clock speed of up to 4.8 GHz, which means it can handle high-performance tasks more efficiently. The Ryzen 75700X, while slightly lower at 4.6 GHz, still provides excellent performance for gaming and everyday applications. The difference in clock speed may not be noticeable in casual use, but for tasks that require maximum performance, the 5900X has the edge. Price is always a significant factor when choosing a CPU. The AMD Ryzen 95900X is priced at $569, reflecting its high-end performance and capabilities. On the other hand, the Ryzen 75700X offers a more budget-friendly price of $319. For users who are looking for a balance between performance and cost, the 5700X presents a compelling option. However, if you need the best performance available, the investment in the 5900X may be worthwhile. In conclusion, both the AMD Ryzen 95900X and the Ryzen 75700X have their strengths and weaknesses. The 5900X is a powerhouse designed for demanding tasks, while the 5700X offers excellent performance at a more affordable price. Depending on your specific needs and budget, either processor could be the right choice for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and tech reviews.